Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Kingfisher PLC. So if you look at the long-term chart, so the data is available since 1983. So what the stock has been and the way it has been trading for the last 30 or 5 years. So there are two things which you need to know. First, the stock has started its up move since 1983 till 1999, and in those years the stock has given 4456 odd percent of return, and afterwards the stock has seen a correction and it's been inside a consolidating range, not from 1999, but the way the pattern has formed, it seems like the stock has entered inside this range since 1990. Okay, so the first thing which you need to understand here is the trading range, which is as old as 30 odd years. Okay, so here is the range. So rather than a range, we can call it as a consolidation range of consolidation, which is as long as 30 years. Now when you talk about consolidations and big consolidating range, so understand one thing: if any stock is consolidating for more than 5 years, 10 years inside a band, so one thing that is good for us is we have a fixed support or resistance level. Okay, now the bad thing is, unless the stock makes a move either on the upside or on the downside, and that should be beyond the levels, so we cannot decide whether it will go up or down. So let me show you what I am trying to say here. Right now the stock has started its move from the lower end of the range, and the probability is it will go higher. Okay, so in that sense, the current support for this particular stock, resistance or target for this particular stock will come at 299. Okay, so this will be your first target or resistance where the stock currently trading right now. Now once this level crosses on the upside, the next target should be 440, and if indeed this level breaks on the upside, then we have say 709 on the upside. Okay, but this 709 is conditional and the probability for this is very low. So this is completely depend on whether the stock will make a breakout beyond 299 and moves toward 440, and whether it will go higher or crosses beyond 440 and sustain over and above 440, then we will think about 709, else not. Now the way the stock has moved, the big support level will come at 202, 202, then we have 153, then we have 109 from where the stock has started its up move, and the lower end of the range will be 89. Understand one thing, now I've already told you that the stock is in consolidation since 1990, and now with this kind of consolidation you have your fixed ranges. So on the downside you have 89.14, and on the upside you have 709, probably 440 and 709. So one must not think beyond 709 on the upside and 89 on the downside, unless the stock either makes a breakout or falls below 89.14. So this is the thing which you need to understand and act accordingly. And inside this trend there are lots of supports and resistance level. Obviously these are for long term because we are looking at the long term chart pattern, and it will take probably some time to make or break or to make this trend. Now the length of the trend is also an important thing. So here you can see the length of this trend is 693%. It means if the stock is moving from the lower end to the higher end of this range, it will probably give you 690+% of returns over a period of years. So this is a good change, but there are restrictions which I have already told you. And if you understand the trend, probability is showing that it is moving on the higher end of the range, but you should know your support and resistance level. And the probability, I'm again telling you that the probability of 440 is much higher than the probability of 709, and 709 is obviously a conditional thing. Unless 440 crosses, 709 won't come. And you should know your risk level, because the way the stock has moved over a short period of time, you have big support, but they are not near right now. So you should understand and take decisions accordingly for long term, not for short term. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.